really hope he has.
No, we feel it was
I want to see the main reasons why they say I don't know what people drink and yet either they're funny drunk, angry drunk or something, so I'd rather drunk in the house and then no, I'm not
Did you get cheese pizza?
It's beautiful. Your phone was in a whole
Typhoon. That delta wing, the slats, change the aerodynamics of the aircraft. Fantastic roll rate as well. The aircraft is going through a new radar setup. It's a system called Radar 2 that's going to transform the aircraft, its performance and its delivery of weapons. So exactly that, as it goes through its life cycle, they'll be able to upgrade the aircraft without making any major changes to the structure of it. And right out the sun. Radar 2 for the Typhoon fleet. It's going to double their radar range. And the aircraft is not just close to air, but also close to ground prediction. Watch as it comes through the center. You'll see them moving very, very quickly. And that's the key. So the fly-by-wire system is now taken over, so the aircraft is installed. He picks the aircraft up, but now he's going to reintroduce the afterburner. These aircraft are over 25 tons. Oh, that's 25 tons. 9G. His G suit will be inflating all the way around now, trying to stop the blood moving. On the aircraft as an advisor. He's going to go into a vertical climb, storm the aircraft. Moisture in the air, so it's in effect boiling the air around it. It's got this massive big shape moving through wet air, and gentlemen, the Royal Air Force thank you.
The team arriving in wall formation. That's 200 to 300 feet wide from left wing tip to right wing tip. They arrive at over 400 miles per hour. They pull up at 4G and collapse into 8 Arrow. The smoke comes off, and they reach a height of about 5,500 to 6,000 feet before Red One brings them back down to their minimum display height. Red One twists the team to the left. Red One this year is squad leader Tom Bowl. He is in his third and final year as Red One, the team leader. He was also in the team between 2015 and 17, where he was the synchro leader in 2017. He's also flown Typhoon on operational service. He's a qualified flight instructor on the Hawk Team Mark 2 and Tucano, where he was the Tucano display pilot in 2010. As the smoke comes on for the 8 Arrow present. Keep your eye on the team for a dynamic shape change. As Red 7-8 perform a rollback and change the shape from 8 Arrow into Vixen. As Red 1 brings the team round to the right, you can see it's in Vixen formation. Of course, if we were a 9 ship, we'd now be in our trademark Diamond 9 with number 9 at the back. However, for 2023, we are only an 8 ship, and that is down to the fact we can only train 3 new pilots safely with the correct level of supervision each year, and simply the math didn't work out for this year. However, next year for our own 60th anniversary, our own Diamond Jubilee, our plans to be back at our Diamond 9. Once again, Red One pulls them up at over 400 miles per hour and 4G. They reach a height of over 5,500 feet, and the aircraft now starting to slow to approximately 110 to 120 miles per hour, which means that the controls of the aircraft are a lot less effective. Conversely, as the aircraft starts to descend, they now increase speed through 200, 300, back to that 400 miles per hour, where the controls are a lot more effective, making the pilots work even more harder as they come around to the left for the Apollo present. On the left of Red 1 is Red 3, Flight Lieutenant Tom Hanston. Tom is in his first year on the team. He's a former Typhoon pilot and qualified weapons instructor on the Typhoon. which meant that he would teach weapon technical information and all frontline tasks. Moved into Eagle from the Eagle lunar landing craft. And you can see Reds 4 and 5 all the way back at the formation, which makes it extremely difficult for them as we take all our formation references from Red 1, not necessarily the closest aircraft to you. As the smoke comes on for the Eagle, present. As I said, the second on our space theme shape. And as the team roll to the left on the far right hand side uppermost is Red 4. That's Flight Lieutenant Ollie Suckling. Ollie is also in his first year in the team, a former Tornado TR4 pilot and flying kicker on the Hawk TR2. His opposite number smoking on the left is Red 5, Flight Lieutenant Patrick Kershaw, known as Paddy. Paddy was Red 3 last year. He's flown the both Tornado and the Typhoon on operational service. Most popular, if not the most popular manoeuvre that we fly in the 2023 show. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready as the Red Arrows ride the storm in the Tornado. Seven and 8, roll, go, and the abort call is made by Red 8 as both Red 7 and 8 roll around the rest of the formation. But of course, Red 1 doesn't want to make it too easy for the rest of the team, so watch for the colour change.
You can see I was right behind
As the red and the blue come on, he bends round to the right and makes the job even more difficult for both Red 7 and 8. And it needs a hotter engine gas temperature, which makes the smoke burn a lot more brightly. And it also reduces the airflow out the back of the aircraft, making the smoke billow a lot more fuller. And it ensures that the enhancement is the detonator. To break only 100 feet to the air. Each aircraft affords a 4-point hesitation roll. And now turn hard, pull up to 6G, away from the display line, turning hard back towards the centre as they complete the manoeuvre called Cyclone. In trail. And if you look to your left, smoke comes on immediately from the tail and into the reverse speed. And Red 8 flies the Goose. Red 1 gathers the rest of Enid and this formation bend around to the left. Underneath the aircraft, you might be able to see a small fuel tank. It's actually the smoke pod. That smoke pod is capable of producing 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of red smoke, and 1 minute of blue smoke. And each of those colours is selectable by its own individual button on the pilot's control column. Trail on red 6. Get your cameras ready. They split. The red smoke comes on for the wonderful, world famous Synchro Heart. Keep your eye to the high left hand side as red 8 comes in and spears the heart. Give Hana Formation a massive round of applause for a wonderful heart over the skies of Ayr. Snake-like trail in the sky in a manoeuvre called the Python. As I said earlier, there are 10 pilots on the Red Arrows. However, the Red Arrows is not just about the pilots. They are the engineers, the administrators, the dive team, the public relations, and they are known as the Blues, named due to the colour of their flying coveralls. And a number of the Blues are here today at the public relations tent, so please pop along and say hello. Within those Blues are 10 individuals who get to fly in between our displays when we cannot take the full engineering complement. They are known as the Circus. One individual with me at every display is Circus 10. That's Corporal Phil, trying to recapture that 100 feet as they complete the manoeuvre called Boomerang. Now you can see the white smoke comes on, and once again red one pulls them up over 400 miles per hour. They roll to the right. Get yourselves ready for the Edie vertical break. And he calls for red 7-8 to roll in the corkscrew. Smoking blue is red 7. Flight 8, Robert. Forward Tornadoes is our 4 pilots, ready for the roll demo in 2010. He also flew the higher. Clear go as Reds 4 and 5 rolling on the outside in one of the hardest manoeuvres for new pilots each year to master. This is Rollbox. Not only of the Red Arrows is a class which means excellence. And that means everyone on the squadron from the very bottom. 7-8 roll go, the blue smoke comes on as red 7-8 roll around 6. Once again, get your cameras ready for the Hana Vortex break. Keep your eye on the synchro once again. They're up at their perch about 1,000 feet. They'll dive down for their final manoeuvre of the show. That 100 feet above the sea. The clone speed of over 800 miles per hour. They'll do a series of bar rolls, followed by inverted flight for their final manoeuvre of the show. This is crossbow. However, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an honour, it's been a pleasure. Please put your hands together for the 2023 Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. It's the Red Arrow!